Alright guys, welcome to another episode at Project Nine Oaks. We got a little bit of a different project. I've been working on this camper for quite a long time, and I'm kind of done with it for a little bit. I have a few more things to do actually, but I'm going to be focused on something new. I'm going to be working on this toolbox that we got at an estate sale. I needed some more toolbox storage, and my wife's been to a few estate sales, but actually I've been watching a few YouTube channels, and kind of inspired me to have her look for stuff at these estate sales. I was watching the Garage Engineer channel, and of all the tools and stuff he's been getting at these estate sales, and I thought that was a pretty cool idea. So this time I told her to go search for the tool section, and she was texting me pictures while I was at work. We got this toolbox here for 40 bucks, and this is quite a cool find. It's pretty old and it needs some work, but if you had a new toolbox with this lower rolling cart and then the top, this is probably $500-600, and so it's pretty basic. You just have the top, you got some drawers that open up. It's pretty rusty, needs some work, needs some grease on the hinges, I guess you'd say, or the slides, repainted, stuff like that. But so today I'm going to try to take this $40 toolbox, spend another couple hours and maybe $20 more in cleaning supplies and paint, and then hopefully we'll get a new toolbox out of it so I can start storing some things and making it a little bit cleaner in here. So anyway, a little bit different project, but I thought you guys would enjoy trying to restore this toolbox. I wanted to show you a little bit of a zoomed in area here, what I was doing to take those drawers out. See, these drawers have this tab here. It's just a thin metal piece of metal, and I just pushed on it with a screwdriver, and that allowed it to go past this tab in the rail. So the rail fits in, and once it goes past it, see here, it kind of clicked in, and so now when you pull your drawer out, it won't go past that. So all you do is you just push in this tab, and then you pull it out. So I have some Evaporust. This is a pretty nice rust remover that I've used in the past, and normally I've used it on stuff that you just kind of immerse it in the like a canister of this, or like you put it in a cup. So I'm going to try to basically just put it on a rag in here that's just going to hold it, and then put some saran wrap on top of it. So let's try it out, see if this works. So I'm really just getting that paper towel wet, and then put some saran wrap in there just to kind of keep it from evaporating. Okay, I took all the pulls off. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the camera here, but this one on the right, I ended up using some steel wool just to, kind of rub off this kind of corrosion and build up. And it got it pretty good. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's a lot better. So let's go take these 4 and do the rest for that. And then these will be done, and then it'll be time to paint. So let's go take these. All right, guys, so we got this little project finished up. This was one of a nice, little change of pace. Been working on the camper for quite a bit, so this was something I needed to get done. It was off to the side, something we got from an estate sale a while ago. So it's nice to finish it up and be able to use it now. I can put more tools that I've been kind of just setting off in the corner or the edge of the workbench, So, kind of to recap, I took it all apart, cleaned it up, got a lot of the peeling paint off of it, and then sanded it a little bit with some steel wool, used some Evaporust rust remover, took the handles off, and used steel wool as well to kind of shine them up a bit, kind of bring them back to life. Reattach it, kind of greased the slides a bit, and then reattached it, spray painted it, and then reattached it. So I'm kind of calling this a non-Pinterest quality rebuild. We have a whole lot of projects, most of us around the house, and not everything has to be the most perfect, piece of equipment or tool or anything that you got to put on the internet. So, there is time for doing something and spending a lot of time and working on it and getting it done correct. And then there's, times when you need to get something done so you can go to the next thing, and this was one of those. So this was if I really wanted to do it well, I would just have stripped this all down with, kind of sandblasted it to get all the paint off that was still stuck on. So it would make a nice smooth finish, spend more time getting that rust off. But again, this is just going to be a workshop, item, and I'm only going to be the only one that sees it. It's going to get kind of banged up a little bit with tools banging around. So again, nice little project. Used some good quality spray paint to help make it last. But if you get up real close, you can kind of see where the old paint that was still attached, you can kind of see that change in finish and texture a little bit. But I don't care too much. So again, from time to time, you got to do a non-Pinterest quality project just so you're not bogged down and making everything 100% perfect. So this one is, gonna have a nice little project, and I'm glad you stuck around for it. So you'll be probably seeing this in other videos when I'm getting tools out of it to use on other projects. So again, appreciate you sticking around, and I'll see you on the next one.